Let me handle my business. 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 Let me handle my business.
I said, young was busy counting money. I dare you niggas count me out. Made you niggas trap stars. Gave you something to trap about. Gave you niggas streets. Just watch a trapper die. The inspiration during the recession in the drought. Who gave you niggas motivation? Now the streets is talking. Niggas is plotting. Public enemy #1. Feel like Bin Laden. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, I'm about to blow up. See me off in platinum 2-1, I'm getting toe up. Take that vodka straight to the head. I'm like, you know what? Just keep it turned up on these niggas, cause they don't know us. If you never hustle, don't matter now, then you don't know that black 745 on their ass, like I'm gon' show y'all.
Let me handle my business. 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 Let me handle my business.
I said you can get with this, or you can get with that shit. Recompressed, ready rock, never coming back shit. Have you whipping all day and all, that's for practice. My heads let us pray 20 years under my mattress. Now I lay me down to sleep, I had them street dreams. Why the hell you think all my songs sound like a street thing? Never spoke the shit where you stay, guess that's a street thing. In the streets 24